Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I'm loving you checking in, but new viewers, you should become subscribers too so that you can get some awesome recipes like this one right here. Today we're making a creamy sausage and broccoli pasta. Starting off, I've got my pot going and I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. And this is 1 tablespoon of garlic. And I just want to get some flavor into the oil. And that's okay. Give it a quick spin, about a minute or two, and then we'll add the sausage. This is 26 ounces of summer sausage, but you are welcome to use, Italian sausage, whatever you want. This is Eckrich Farm, so it's pre-cooked. So really, we just got to get some brown on it, get it glazed up. So I'm going to say 5 minutes. Timer is done. It's been exactly 5 minutes. To that, I'm adding my 2 heads of broccoli that I've just broken down into florets. Another 5 minutes, mixing this just a little bit. We're going to use the grease from the sausage and the oil to get these heated up. So see you in 5. It's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add in 4 tablespoons of butter. And I've just cleared that over there so that it will start melting right off the bat. Okay. In addition to that, dump that over. This is 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And about half, let that get going. This is 3 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes that have been julienned. Mix that together. Give that a good mix. And you can see that the butter's already melted. I did turn the heat down to 4 instead of 5. And you want to bring this up to a boil, which you can see it's bubbling. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest in. All right, 5 minutes again. And we'll be back. Alright, this has just been about 5 minutes and you can see that the sauce is thickened up a little bit, as well as coated very well. 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. There's my alarm. Tell me that that's actually the full 5 minutes. Give that a quick mix. Alright, now I said this was a pasta dish. I have cooked 1 pound of Penne ricotta, but you can use whatever type of pasta you like and just cook it to the directions of the pasta. I'm going to mix this up for about a minute or 2 just to get it warmed back up and get everything coated, and then we'll be serving. See you then. It's been a minute or 2, and you can let this go until you think it's warm enough. I think it's good, so I'm going to go ahead and plate her up. I got a little bowl here. I'm going to garnish this with a little flat leaf parsley, or Italian parsley. And that's it, guys. Easy, delicious, and you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what substitutions, alterations, whatever. And check back for the next video. Otherwise, take care. Peace.